What's up, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's video we're going to do a case study for a windshield repair shop. Now, this is actually not a mobile windshield repair shop. This is a standalone shop that has a physical location. If you watched our videos before, most of them are for the mobile guys who go out to people's houses or their work and they fix their windshields and windows and stuff like that. So this guy actually has his own shop, and it just goes to show you that you can drive leads even to a physical location when you're running Google Ads. Alright, so before I get into it, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and check out the links in the description. We put tons of free content and trainings and all that kind of good stuff in there, and we have a link tree and you can go check out all that stuff. Alright, let's get right into it. We're going to look at last 30 days of data, which is May 24th to June 22nd, which is actually, today's actually June 23rd, but whatever. All right, 262, that's how many clicks we've got in the last 30 days out of 3,203 impressions, 8.18% click-through rate. Average cost per click is $6.23. And there's Ed messaging me, of course. Sorry, guys. Average cost per click, $6.23. Total cost for the month was $1,633. And they've gotten 112 leads at a cost per lead of $14.59. Conversion rate for the campaign is 42.75%, which is outrageously awesome. It's exactly where we want to be. Okay, so and I should say too, these leads are not email forms, okay, or something like that. This is a full contact form, and it's mostly phone calls. I'd say probably out of these 112 leads, that 100 of them are inbound phone calls. So we're really going after mobile on here, and I'm going to show you how and why in a second. So if we go into the campaign's ad groups, you'll be able to see here they're in California. So if we go down, you can see here auto glass repair 24 leads, windshield repair 23 leads, San Diego windshield repair 16 leads, windshield replacement 12 leads, San Diego windshield replacement 10 leads. Windshield replacement near me, 7.5 leads, and that's half is because of the attribution model we're using for the conversion tracking. Windshield repair 7, car window repair 4. So basically every ad group has gotten leads, which is pretty awesome. And if we go down here to devices, you're going to see here, oh, we're not even running desktop. I actually thought we were. I must have turned that off because it wasn't converting well. So yeah, we're 100% mobile traffic. Now if we go into the actual keywords, you're going to see what we're going after is only exact and phrase match keywords. Now this is how you drive quality, all right? Actually, we have a few of these too, I guess. I don't remember. I still had these. I wonder if that's the only one. Nope, got a couple. Anyways, these have to get paused. If you're new to AdWords or Google Ads or whatever, and you see broad match modified, which is this, these actually are going away. Google phased them out, and they're going to kind of roll up into phrase match. But this campaign is a clone we use, so it's probably a little older. So I should probably change that. But for the gist, most of the leads coming in are coming from exact and phrase match. You can see that here. We sort by conversions. Yeah, exact and phrase match. This is how you drive quality. Now, it's just my opinion, the phrase match has been driving a lot of competitor branded traffic. So if you can, when you're building your campaign, your client's campaign, make sure that you're creating a list of local competitors and their brand names and put that in your negative list in your campaign, and just kind of save yourself the headache of having to do that once the traffic starts coming and it's wasting money and stuff like that. So that's the best advice I can give you for getting rid of that brand traffic, because you definitely want to use phrase match. It drives really good leads, but sometimes it will pull in the occasional competitor brand, and you definitely don't want that. So make sure you negative out that, create a list and negative it. And we're using maximize conversions, I believe, for this campaign. Let me just double check. We go up here, campaigns. Yep, maximize conversions. So we usually start our auto glass guys out with maximize clicks with a bid limit cap. Usually I think it's like $25 or $26, something like that. And then after 30 days, they got a couple dozen leads. We turn the switch over to maximize conversions, let Google take over from there with bidding. And it's been incredible. maximize conversions in this niche is great. But yeah, so that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick case study. Remember, this is not mobile windshield. This is an actual physical shop. People come into the shop. So this guy is not going out and replacing windshield, stuff like that, like the other videos that you've seen that we've done. So we can do both of these now. It's pretty awesome, great results. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below this video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.